Two-faced. The next danger of the tongue is being two-faced. This is when a person changes their behavior, depending on who they are interacting with, in order to please them, so that they gain worldly things, such as respect and fame. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has warned in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4873, that whoever adopts a two-faced mentality will have two tongues of fire on the Day of Judgment. It is the duty of a Muslim to remain honest and consistent in their speech and actions, and only seek the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted, in all their activities. The one who behaves in this manner will be protected by Allah, the Exalted, from any long-term negative effects which can result from being consistently honest. But the one who follows the path of the hypocrites will lose out on the mercy and protection of Allah, the Exalted, so that they are left to wander blindly in misguidance. Allah, the Exalted, will ensure that, sooner or later, their evil intentions are exposed to the people they aim to please, so that they lose out on obtaining worldly blessings and become loathed by their society. This worldly punishment is small compared to the punishment reserved for them in the hereafter, unless they sincerely repent. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.